a chronic epidemic of pain affecting 1 in 5 people in the UK. Want to find out how to avoid it?
While inflammation is an essential part of our body's natural healing system, when it comes to chronic or continuous inflammation, it starts affecting other areas of our health, and that's not good. And that's why I've created a 5-part series all about inflammation, because even a Harvard study has come out saying that you can beat it naturally. Today's video is all about how you can enliven your routines so you can beat inflammation and chronic pain naturally through your lifestyle choices. Come, let's go for a walk. Hi everyone, welcome back to this series of beating inflammation naturally. And today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools that Ayurveda has, and that's lifestyle practices that help you manage stress and your immune system. And if you've been looking for some simple yet practical ways to feel better every day, I have some lifestyle hacks that you don't want to miss. So why does lifestyle even matter? Let's start with the big picture.
As the sun rotates around the earth, the circadian clock evolved. Ayurveda has understood the connection between human and nature for millennia. And so there's always been an emphasis on our daily routine, known as the dinacharya, which is designed to harmonize our internal environment with the external environment. By establishing a rhythm to our day, we can cultivate this sense of stability and peace, so that each action becomes an opportunity for self-reflection and connection, allowing us to nurture our bodies and souls with intention and grace. And if we want to bring radical change to our body, mind, and consciousness, then a routine really helps us to establish a balance in one's mind-body constitution. At the start, my constitution certainly struggled with trying to make routine out of my daily habits. But, we all have to start somewhere. And we all start off being chaotic. But I'm really grateful for those moments, because I wouldn't be here and where I am now. I used to think I couldn't see the wood through the trees. Which habit do I do first? And then pretty soon, overwhelm kicks in, and that leads to just one road: procrastination. And that's why I've narrowed it down to 3 hacks in this video that you can follow easily and simply. It will change your health forever, and you will not look back. Rise with the sun and prioritize sleep. We really want to look at the significance of the sunlight with the hypothalamus, the part of the brain. It's our pacemaker, and you can reset your circadian rhythms by getting light exposure in the mornings. Limit your caffeine and exercise later on in the day, but also practice good sleep hygiene. Eating in sync with the sun cycle can optimize digestion and reduce inflammation. Here's how. Make sure that you eat a nourishing breakfast to kickstart your day. Eat a substantial lunch when the sun's at its highest and its peak in the day. And then a light dinner before the sun sets, and avoid late night snacking. To aid digestion and avoid sluggishness, shortly after you've eaten, take a leisurely walk.
Ayurveda teaches us that consistency is key, because our bodies react very well to rhythm. Essentially, we're like big babies. We thrive on routines that are packed with moments where you can slow down, reflect, and check back in with yourself. I was speaking to a lovely lady yesterday who was having a health consultation with me. We looked at her daily routine and what she was doing, and we gave her some adjustments so that she could start implementing moments where she paused and really checked in with herself, instead of being on this constant cycle of doing things. She was really grateful that she had my help. And if that's something that you feel that you need, you can book a consultation with me. I'm going to leave the link down below.
And additional important hacks are to drink plenty of water throughout your day. This will help you with your body's signals for hunger and fullness, which is very important when it comes to mindful eating. Research suggests that stress can cause inflammation in the body. And if we want to get to the root of stress, we can do practices such as meditation, yoga, and breathing exercises to help to calm inflammation naturally. So are you ready to dive into some Ayurvedic practices for your morning to beat inflammation? If you are, let me know in the comments which one you're eager to try first. I want to make it really easy for you to take your next steps on this journey to vibrant health. And that's why I've created the Beat Inflammation Daily Routine Guide. And it's a simple, practical guide that will help you to start incorporating Ayurvedic practices that will calm inflammation and restore balance. Click the link down under the video. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making them. Do subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and watch the next video. You can beat inflammation with food. You can also watch my video on herbs and spices. Don't forget to slay your health the Ayurvedic way. Thanks for watching.